From a security standpoint, the university was continuing to grow the wireless network, and we are constantly getting new students that were coming on board with newer technologies and multiple technologies. When we first deployed our wireless network, the average student was coming on with maybe 1 or 2 devices. Now what we're seeing is the students coming on with anywhere from 3 to 4 devices. My name is David Lutz. I'm the Director of Information Systems for Marymount University in Arlington, Virginia. We are 15 minutes away from Washington, D.C. We are a comprehensive Catholic university of about 3,700 students. The landscape has changed so much now. I have to worry about washing machines coming onto my network that broadcast to the students when their laundry is done. I have to worry about the students that bring in their Apple TVs, their Xboxes, their PS3s. And we have such a diverse group of users at the university, from guests that come on site to do presentations, to students, to alumni, to the users that are coming on a regular basis through faculty, staff. We constantly have a rotation of users that are flowing onto our network on a daily basis. We needed a way of allowing us to lock those students down and kind of know what's coming onto our network to safeguard ourselves as well as the students. We went with Cisco's original NAC device, and that served well for us. The university deployed that probably 6 years ago, and it was a good technology, but one of the lacking things is that it would only base authentication on the user's account. We turned to Presidio. We just needed an organization that could really address the needs of a university of our size. They really helped us to try to find a good solution. They wanted to get a good idea of who Marymount is, what our goals were, not just short-term but long-term. And they were the ones that really addressed the fact that you need to go in this direction with the Cisco ISE product. They worked with us on not only just having staff on site to help us deploy that, but they really thought it out ahead of time. Most of the work wasn't even at the keyboard. It was sitting face-to-face with technical people from Presidio that helped us to analyze, where did we want this product to finally do once it was on site. The results that we've gotten from Presidio is basically a more sound network, a more secure network that allows less people to be able to manage. We have a small group on site that manages this network. Presidio, with the product line that they brought onto us with Cisco ISE, has allowed us to be more efficient with the staffing that we have.